Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have not decided what to do, which look to create and all. So let's do it in front of you and it will be really amazing, isn't it? So let's get started with this peacock green beautiful sari. This is a silk sari and yeah, let's get started.
Take any wet wipe and just wipe out your face because we just don't want any of the dirt, sweat, any of it on my face, and I just wanted a really clean canvas so my foundation sets really beautiful and it looks really beautiful. Next I'm going to use my moisturizer, which is from Garnier, and it's a beautiful moisturizer. If you want to buy it, then you can just check it my description box. Everything is given down below, and I'm just going to use a generous amount of it and just apply on your skin. Just massage it, just let all the goodness get into your skin, and your skin base be really nice. And next I'm going to use my Fix Plus from MAC and just spray it on your hand and apply on your skin. It is really hydrating and really nice to your skin.
Okay, we have moisturized the skin really nicely. I hope you can see the glow and really nourishing and really pretty. So now we are going to go today we are going to go very light makeup, like very natural look makeup. And further ado, let's go with the concealer and highlight dark circles and make our face really even tone. Before that, I forgot to introduce a beautiful moisturizer cream, which is from Smashbox. It is a primerizer moisturizing in, and this is the travel size which I have. These are the samples which I have got from Smashbox. So I am loving this. I'm going to buy a full bottle of this, and this is an amazing thing. So we are going to put on our concealer to give it a really primerized base. And we have not used any primer for our face. We are just going to use this product.
I'll just take up my concealer from Maybelline. These are the brightener concealers where I'm going to just brighten up my under eyes. This is the number 15 and 10. I'm going to mix them both and apply on my under eyes to brighten up, and just mix them all with the beauty blender. Just blend it really beautifully. Next I'm going to use the Lotus contour stick. I don't know if you find this contour stick online because I have got this contour stick from the Lotus store, and if you have any Lotus store nearby you, then you can grab this on. This is a beautiful contour stick, and just contour your face all your jaw lines and everywhere, no jaw lines. And then I'm going to add on one more concealer contour stick, which is from Makeup Revolution. This is the shade 18, and this is a two-way dark for my skin tone. So I'm just going to contour it. I just want a really sharp edges, so I'm just going to contour it with it and just blend it with the kabuki brush. Yes, I'm going to use a kabuki brush today, and I'm just going to blend it and just dab it. It just goes into my skin and it just bees on that place only.
Which you have with the foundation, and use with the brown side or contour side, and then you're going to blend it all.
Take up some loose powder from Maybelline. I love this powder, but the shade is not so much of matchable to me, so I have just adjusted it with mixing a little bit of baby powder, so it is like okay for me. So I have setting my face totally with this powder everywhere, like where contour is there and everywhere, like so it looks really natural look, and it just blends out really nicely and it sets in the place. Our base is ready for the eyeshadow now, so we are going to start off with eyeshadow. I'm taking the palette from Makeup Revolution. This was my first palette which I bought, and I will never recommend you to buy this palette because This palette has beautiful shades. Before that, let me tell you, I am using a really nice maroon shade. It is a little bit of shimmery shade, and it has a little bit of color. So yes. And second thing, in this palette you will find only 2 or 3 shades which are really beautiful. Other than that, some greens are there, but they pay off like black. Some blues are there, they pay off like black. Most of them pay off like black, and most of them pay off like colorless. So I will not recommend you to buy this palette, because they have given so many shades for this, but the shade range doesn't work a while, so it doesn't work. So you can see in this shade I have used green shade, but it turned out black. Same way it happens, same thing. So here is the green shade I was using, and it was turning out black. It has a little bit of shimmer also, so matte shade doesn't work properly. Yeah, black, the shade of the black is really intense, but you have a really fallout. The glitter also is there. I hope I should show you a review on this palette, because telling you like this is, I don't know how do you understand it. So my next video will coming out with this palette. And so if you are doing this palette, doing this eye look, then you can go for the Wet n Wild palette. I will just link down below. You can just check it out. It has beautiful shades, and you can do the same eye look with that palette. I love the metallic shades from this. So I feel like whenever you buy a palette, that all the shades should be usable for you, not only 1 or 2 shades. Yes, this palette is pretty, but not like wow, because I have seen most of the palettes now. So I don't recommend this buying palette, because this palette only 2 or 3 shades are. I'm telling it again and again, because I don't want you all guys to waste the money on it. So yes, if you want to see the palette, I will really do a review on it. Then please don't forget to comment me below, so I can do a review on it. I'm going to add same thing for my lower lash line, some of the maroon and some of the black. And for the inner corners, I'm going to use a beautiful golden shade. And now I'm going to use a kajal from Lakme, and I'm loving this kajal because someone has recommended this, so I bought this. It is cheap, it is really budget friendly, so it's really nice, and the intensity of the color is really good. So I'm smudging the kajal a little bit down, so I have that smoke out look for my eyes, and I wanted an intense hooded looks, like I just wanted my eyes to look a little smaller in the size, not like elongated like that. So this is the look I have created, and then have gone a little bit of liner for the same. With the same kajal, I went with the liner and just put a liner. And today I have not used any eyebrow pencil or eyebrow nothing. You can see the difference between the two eye. And to complete this look, we are going to go with our lipstick. This is the red shade lipstick from Matte Me in color, and it's a beautiful lipstick. I love this lipstick. Then I'm going to put the same lipstick for my bindi and mang. Yes, my look is ready now with a minimum some jewelry and some earrings, and yes, this final look is ready. If you like my video, then don't forget to give me a like button, and also subscribe to my channel, and tell your friends to subscribe. Though I'm just going to reach 200,000 very fast, then I just need 200, then please do help me to reach out more or more people. So yeah, thank you everybody.